Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I'm Pawan Jaswal, and in today's video, we're diving into one of my favorite tools for web recon, Hakrawler. Whether you are into bug bounty, OSINT, or Pentesting testing, this fast and simple Go-based crawler is must-have in a recon toolkit. We are going to install Hakrawler on a freshly set up Ubuntu virtual machine, run real-world examples, and understand how to use it effectively. First, let's get Hakrawler up and running on a clean Ubuntu system. We need Go and Git installed first. Once that's done, we'll install Hakrawler using Go install. After installation, you will find the binary at go bin Hakrawler. Let's add it into our path permanently. Now, let's check if it works. Boom! Hackral is now installed and ready. Let's crawl our first site. I will use OpenExploit.in as a safe target for testing. Hackrawler reads URLs from the standard input and starts scrolling. You can also input multiple URLs from a file like this. Let's create a quick url.txt file to demonstrate that. Here's how a real bug bounty chain might look. Let's say you are testing OpenExploit.in. First, you gather subdomains using hacktrails, filter live hosts using httpx, and then crawl them using Hakrawler. You get a list of subdomains, check which ones are alive, and pass them to Hakrawler for crawling all in one line. Hakrawler offers several usable flags. Let's go over a few that I personally use all the time. First, to include subdomains. Second, to set crawler depth. Third, to add custom headers. Fourth, to output the result in JSON. And finally, use proxy like Bobsuite. Each of these flags gives you more control over how you crawl and what to collect. Sometimes you get no crawl back. Don't panic. This usually happens because the domain redirects to subdomain. For example, if this redirects to https www.example.com, you won't get any result unless you crawl the redirected URL directly or add -subs to include subdomain. If you don't want to install Go and prefer Docker, here's how to run Hakrawler using Docker. Or build locally. And that's a wrap on Hakrawler. It's fast, simple, and super handy for quick endpoint discovery and recon during a bug bounty hunts or pen test. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, check out openexploit.in for deep dive blogs and more free hacking resources. Until next time, stay curious, stay secure.